Hi, Miss Weezy. I'm going to talk about what's the problem of animals getting endangered and the solution.
Okay.
So,
What are the problems? Why they get endangered?
they get endangered because they lose too much of their habitat. And animals need a lot of space. And people are cutting down the trees. So, grow more plants and trees.
Okay.
So that animals have more space to lay down and sleep and lay their eggs and stuff.
Okay.
So the second one is air pollution and water pollution.
Okay.
So the solution for that is recycle, reuse, reduce are the 3 R's you can remember. So if you are one of those guys who like to kill animals because you think they don't do anything for you, they do so much for us. Chickens lay eggs for us, all that stuff.
Okay.
Cows do milk for us, dairy products.
Right.
Most of them are made from animals.
Okay.
So, and if you use those chemicals, stop using those chemicals. Bye!